Here we are at Palma, our second port of call, making our way across from the boat to the bus. The bus is going to take us across the bay to the Cathedral, and for you girls who like your shopping, a marketplace.
I just crossed going to the airport. I'm already back, so
We spent a little time looking around the market and then wandered off towards the cathedral. I was feeling hot in a t-shirt and shorts. After a wander around the quiet back streets of old Palma, seeing a few nice little cafes and restaurants and quiet shaded squares, we thought, nice day, plenty of time, we'll walk back to the ship. Back past the cathedral, some government buildings, some beautiful parks, which the temperature just suddenly drops a few degrees and is great, and then onto the marina. You can see the Arvia in the background, and it looks a long way. If you do decide to do this walk, it is a long way. We had plenty of time, so no problem, no issues with getting back to the ship on time. Last little look over Palma from deck 8 as the ship pulls out for our next destination, Barcelona. Well, we've had dinner, we've seen a show, and we're at the aft of the ship, just having a quiet chat, game of cards. And look, he's still awake. Our room is pretty much smack bang in the middle of the ship, and the corridors seem to go on miles both ways. Our room, we're pretty lucky, it's quite near to the lift. Well, we're off to bed now. Hope you can join me on a little train ride in La Spezia. This is our next port of call in Italy. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe, ring the bell for future notification. And a big thanks for watching.